Mascarenes. I am the member of the Road Safety Committee of the Village Development Committee of Chikali. Okay, so since this work was going on for a couple of months, we were also very happy to know that the Panchayat, the PWD is doing some good work, so we'll get a nice road with a footpath so people can walk, and then traffic can move very freely. So we were extremely happy. But then after seeing for a month or two, and then coming here, we found that something is amiss. Something is not as per the requirement. And then I came here about 15-20 days back, alone walking up when the road was closed. And I noticed that there was no one here. There was just a machine. And there was Mr. Ligori Montero, who is the OSD to our minister, our local MLA. And there were machines. And there were no engineers from the government. No one was there. And the work was going on, in such a way that, as I am also a contractor, I understand there was no order in the work. I found that there is no order. It was in a very disorderly manner. There is no system, there are no procedures which are required under the PWD regulation to be followed. So I made minute note of it. Then I went to the authorities and I collected the documents. Now the documents are as under. The first document is the work order given to a contractor. The contractor is one Mr. Anand S. Naik. He is from Kankod. I came a couple of times later. I have never seen him here. Okay. Then the road closure. The power for road closure is only with the collector. In this case, the application for road closure is given, also applied by Mr. Ligor Montero, who is the OSD to the minister. And the application given in his name. Actually, the contractor who is doing the work, it is his duty to apply for road permission and get the necessary permission and maintain the necessarily the protocol for road closure. So that is another issue. The third issue is, if you go to see, PDA has declared this road as a 15-meter road. If you see on 2026 ODP, it is a 15-meter road which PDA has marked right from on top right up to Panchayat. So it's a 15-meter road. Okay, so that is another issue which PDA has to answer. And the fourth issue is that when they are doing all these works, there are some conditions which the collector has put in the permissions. Like they have to maintain proper road levels, they have to maintain clean roads so no one skids, so no one falls. Both the sides they have to close, they have to put lights. At night somebody has to be there. There has to be a telephone number of the person who is responsible there, so in case of any emergency accident, whom to contact. So all those things are there. Besides, there are more conditions which, like, they have to also make publicity in local media about the closure of the road, about the timings, all that. So none of this is done. Now coming to the point, main point. Now this road, actually if you go to see, it is not even, the original road is not even 6 meters. It is 5 meters at some place, it is 6 meters at some place, 5.5 meters in some other place. And you can make it out by the edge of the poles, which are still existing. If you see, whatever existing road is not even 6 meters, not even 5 meters. So there is no other land available to do anything beyond this. For a road, government has to acquire the land first, and then the road can be built to whatever prescribed widths given by the government. So in this particular case, there is no land available at all which is acquired right from Vishal Megamart to Chikali to widen this road. So I am not able to understand, spending 2 crore 40 and odd lakhs, the government is calling this tender, spending this money to widen which road?
तुमकां सगल्यांक जे आयज हांगा हाजीर जाल्या, तुमकां सगल्यांक आमी हांगा आपयल्यात आनी हांगा पळय आतां हाजीर जाल्यात ती आमी VDC मेंबर्स, आमी चिकाली पंचायतीचे, आनी तेच भाशेन आमचे वांगडा आहा ग्रामसभेचे मेंबर चिकाली पंचायतीचे आनी बायो क्रुसेडर्स. हांकां आमी आयज आपयल्यात एक अवेरनेस करपाक की हांगा आमची गांवांत कितें चल्लां तें इलिगॅलिटीज. हालीं आमी पळयलां हिंगा रोड वायडनिंगाच्या नांवान हांगा एक काम सुरू जालें आनी जेन्ना आमी हांगा डेली अशें वयता येता तेन्ना अशें दिसलें की खरेंच तें रोड वायडनिंग जाता आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक फायद्या पडटलें म्हणून. पूण जशें पळय दीस वचो लागले आनी ते भायर पावले तेन्ना भिरांत दिसली की ते झाडां कित्याक मारता काय म्हूण हो प्रश्न येयलो, दिश्टी पडलो. आनी आमी मागीर आमचे रोड सेफ्टी कमिटीचो मेंबर आहा बाब एडवीन मास्कारेनस, ताका रिक्वेस्ट केलो की एडवीन मातशें ओसांनी थंय नदर मार रे आनी कितें चल्लें तें पळय म्हणून खबर काड कसलें काम चलता तें. सो आयज पळय आमी हांगा सगळे मेंबरांक आपयल्या तें कारण आहा तांकां हें अवेरनस करपाक की कितें जालां रोड वायडनिंगा नांवान आनी कसली डॉक्युमेंट आनी कसली एविडन्स आयज आमकां आमचे रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी मेंबरांक मेवल्या ते. आनी आमकां जाय की तांणी तांचे तोंडान हें सगळ्या सवे माजार दवरलेलें आनी मागीर जण एकले आयज आमचे मदीं आहा जशे पंचायत आसतले BMC आसतले आमचे फादर एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आहा वा आनी कोण पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे तर कोणूय मनीस आहा तेणी आपआपणाचे फॉरमाचेर व्हरपाचे आनी हाचेर मागीर कितें ते उपाय तेणी सोदून काडून ताचेर एक्शन घेवपाचें.